Hello, good afternoon. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now with me, Vinni, along with me, Somit Sarkar as well. And seems like a decent afternoon coming in for the markets. Nifty managing to hold on to gains of 0.7% on trade, almost near the day's highest point. Comfortably about the 22,100 levels, up almost 150 points is the Nifty. Sensex 2 is seeing an uptick of almost 550 points, more than that as well on the Sensex well. So trading with gains of 0.7 or 0.8% in trade for the Sensex. Broader markets today performing in line, or you could say with the benchmark indices. Mid cap space up almost 0.6%, while the small cap is seeing gains of almost 1% as well. Slight bit of an outperformance we could say came in from the small cap as of now for the day. Advance decline ratio, that's clearly in the favor of advances versus declines that we've seen. So yes, keeping an eye out on that. Top sectoral gainer today, we have the Nifty Energy. That's the top sectoral gainer. In that, obviously, you know, the names like Reliance come in, OMCs coming, all of them have been buzzing. And that is why the Nifty Energy Index is trading at the day's highest point as of now, 1.5% uptick. Loser coming in today is only the Nifty FMCG pack when you look at it in terms of the sectoral indices. As of now, look at the Nifty FMCG trading at the day's lowest point. Nothing exciting, you know, managed to come to the green, but then slid down from that level and down almost 0.1% in trade. Individual movers, let's talk about some of them. Let's start with the heavyweight Reliance. That's clearly leading the pack. So yes, Reliance Industries trading with gains of more than 3%. We have a brokerage note that came in. Goldman Sachs has maintained a buy but hiked the target price for Reliance to 3,400 rupees. Reliance trading with gains of almost 3.5%, more than that as well. And at the day's highest point is Reliance Industries. OMCs, those are the ones that are buzzing in trade. So IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, let's pull that up. They are buzzing away. Why? Because we have a city that has come out with a note saying that, you know, OMC should be the beneficiaries of a discernible shift from the government stance towards PSUs, keeping an eye out on the OMCs as well. UBS has come out with a note on ABB India. So we're keeping an eye out on ABB India. A sharp uptick there. They've hiked the target price to 7,550 rupees on the back of that. ABB India holding on to gains of 6%. Sanofi as well as Cipla pull up those charts as well. The company has announced an exclusive distribution partnership to expand the reach of the central nervous system portfolio in India. And Cipla will distribute Sanofi India's 6 CNS products. On the back of that, we're seeing Sanofi India seeing a sharp up move of 4%, while Cipla holding on to gains of almost 0.5%. Pratap Snacks, that's in focus. They have started a commercial production in one of their units situated in Khevat. So yes, that's in J&K, and that's what we're keeping an eye out on. Other than that, NOSIL, that's the one in focus. They have approved a 250 crore expenditure that they'll be spending in their Dahej rubber chemical plant, and on the back of that we're seeing NOSIL is in focus today, up 2%. Gravita, on the back of a brokerage note from Kotak Securities initiating coverage on Gravita India, target price of 1,200 rupees, keeping the stock in focus. And AstraZeneca company got a CDSCO nod for an import of cancer treatment drug. On the back of that, AstraZeneca is buzzing away, almost 4% uptick near the day's highest point for AstraZeneca Pharma. Shyam Metallics, they've received a LOI for a composite license for iron ore block in Maharashtra. So that one too is buzzing away in trade. CDSL, Aster DM, we'll be seeing, we have seen some block deals, change of hands that have happened as well. On the back of that, we did have the names of the sellers, but buyer names will come out in the evening, keeping an eye out on CDSL as well as Aster DM. And Pravik, that's the last stock we're keeping an eye out on as well, after the company's operations of Pravik Safari Resort in Gujarat has started. This is in the Black Buck National Park. So yes, one more launch coming in from that front, and that's why this stock is buzzing. So I'm with a lot of movers, individuals, news flows that are coming and keeping the stock a buzz, and that's how the market is looking like.
Well, thank